Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Zaatar mix, a truly versatile Middle Eastern spice blend. We'll start by gathering our core ingredients. You'll need dried thyme, which forms the aromatic base, along with tangy sumac for that signature lemony kick, and toasted sesame seeds for a delightful nutty crunch. Many recipes also include dried oregano, marjoram, and a touch of salt. Remember, the fresher your ingredients, the more flavorful your homemade Zaatar will be. Next, let's prepare our herbs and seeds. Begin by lightly toasting about 1/4 cup of sesame seeds in a dry skillet over medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes, until they become fragrant and slightly golden. If using whole cumin and coriander, toast 1 tablespoon of each for 2 to 3 minutes, then grind them. Finally, finely grind your dried herbs like thyme, oregano, and marjoram. This toasting and grinding process is essential for unlocking their full aromatic potential. Now for the exciting part, combining everything to create your Zaatar blend. In a large bowl, mix 1 cup of your finely ground dried herbs. Then, add about 1/2 cup of ground sumac. This is where the blend gets its wonderful tangy, citrusy notes. Stir in 1/2 cup of your perfectly toasted sesame seeds, which provide a lovely crunch and nutty depth. Finally, add 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of coarse salt, mixing thoroughly until all ingredients are evenly distributed. Feel free to taste and adjust the salt or sumac to your liking. Once your Zaatar mix is complete, proper storage is key to maintaining its freshness and flavor. Transfer your homemade blend into a clean, airtight container. Store it in a cool, dark pantry or cupboard, away from direct sunlight and heat. When stored correctly, your Zaatar will stay fresh and potent for approximately 3 to 6 months. It's incredibly versatile. Sprinkle it on warm flatbreads, roasted vegetables, or grilled meats, or simply mix it with a good quality olive oil for a delicious dip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.